Hey friend, Adam from CloudSpot here. The Access tab is an important section and can be really powerful, so I definitely recommend you consider each one of these options as we go through them. At the top, we have the email capture feature. When enabled, every gallery visitor will need to enter their name and email address to view the gallery. I highly recommend leaving this on so you can keep track of who's viewing and downloading from the gallery in your collection analytics. Additional privacy controls can be found here as well, like password protection and setting a gallery expiration date. The password is a critical feature for more sensitive galleries like those for boudoir sessions and those involving children. This password is cap sensitive and we recommend using something that's not easily guessed. If in doubt, use the generate button to create a secure password. If you opt to set an expiration date for this gallery, the date entered here indicates when the gallery will be inaccessible to clients. However, the collection will remain on your account and you can reactivate the gallery at any time. You also have the option to send out an automated reminder a set number of days before the gallery expires. Set the number of days prior to the expiration you'd like the email to be sent, and then select the template you'd like to use. We provide a default reminder template for you, so you can customize that to your liking or even create a whole new one. Finally, you can set the reminder to go out to everyone who has entered their details into email capture, or have it sent to specific email addresses. Let's move on to the store. You can have sales enabled in your galleries, giving clients an easy and seamless way to order high-quality prints right from their gallery. If you are not already set up to sell, I recommend checking out our Store Quick Start Guide in the CloudSpot Help Center. Here, you can select which sales catalog will be applied, if discounts can be used, and if you want to limit which discounts can be used. If you have the store turned on, I recommend that you leave discount codes enabled, even if you're not offering any discounts to clients right now. You never know when you might want to run a sale, so having these enabled gives you that ability in the future. Another great tool I'd like to point out in this section is the sales banner. This feature allows you to add a custom message that will be displayed at the top of your gallery. It's a great way to bring attention to any gallery-specific discounts, special announcements, or even just add a little thank you message to your clients. The last thing I want to mention in the settings is the option to save your current settings as a preset. We find that oftentimes folks are using the same gallery settings for the same types of photo shoots and events. So checking this box will save your current settings as a preset to quickly apply them on future galleries, saving you valuable time. When you're ready to publish the gallery, click Create Gallery, and add a name to your preset if applicable. Then you can view or share the gallery right away. Now that your gallery is published, you can manage it by clicking the Galleries and Apps button in your collection. From here, you can view the gallery, copy the link, and most importantly, share it with your clients. Using the Manage Presets button at the top, you can also delete or rename any presets that you've previously created. I also wanted to point out this button at the top that says Publish New. This is one of my favorite features on CloudSpot, the ability to publish multiple galleries inside of a single collection. This gives you a ton of flexibility to create separate galleries for different situations. Creating multiple galleries in a collection is incredibly helpful if you have multiple shoots for the same client or seasonal mini sessions. You can also use this as a way to create a gallery of curated images for vendors or sharing on your portfolio. While these galleries all live in the same collection, each one has its own separate settings and permissions. There are so many ways to use this incredible feature, and it only takes a couple of clicks, especially when you're using gallery presets. In addition to creating multiple galleries, you can also create a mobile app for your client. These mobile-only galleries can be saved directly to your client's phone. Mobile apps carry all the same functionality as a regular gallery, but in a compact, easily accessible app. If you have any questions about creating galleries, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help.